Hello students, how are you? I hope you all are fit and fine. So dear students, as you know, we are discussing last year's questions from various years, board sample papers, board question papers. So already we have discussed a few questions from this chapter, the third level, which will be there in your next revision test. Okay, revision test 3.6, part 6 of revision test 3. Okay, so let us discuss some more questions from the third level. I'm going to write down the questions here on the board. Question number 1. Why does Charlie say that? Why does Charlie say? Why does Charlie say that? Why does Charlie say that Grand Central Station is growing? Grand Central Station is growing. Grand Central Station like a tree in the story. Like what does it's widest, sorry, it should be widest. Why does Charlie say that Grand Central Station is growing like a tree? Is growing like a tree. Is growing like a tree. It has been asked in CBSE examination 2010 in Delhi. Okay. Why does Charlie say that Grand Central Station is growing like a tree? So as we have seen in the story, Charlie imagined the existence of third level at Grand Central Station, and what happened then when he shared with Sam. So one of my videos I discussed the whole story of this chapter, so you can watch that video of I think 30 or 29th January. Okay, so let us discuss answer to this question. Why does Charlie say that Grand Central Station is growing like a tree? So whenever Charlie goes to Grand Central Station, he finds new corridor, new doorways, new staircases every time. Okay, so he usually gets confused at Grand Central Station. So that is why he says that the Grand Central Station is pushing out new doors, new branches, new staircases, same as a tree pushes out new branches. Okay, so this is the answer to this question. So you should rewrite all the answers in your own words. All the questions and answers which we are discussing here orally, you must note down all the questions in your notebook and then rewrite answers in your own words. You must go through all the chapters which we are discussing in the videos. Okay, let me rub it and write down the next question, which has been asked in another year's examination, board examination. What convinced Charlie? Question number 2. What convinced Charlie that he had reached the third level, that he had reached the third level. He had reached the third level at Grand Central Station. At Grand Central Station, and not the second level, and not the second level. Okay, it has been asked in CBSE examination 2011 in Delhi. CBSE 2011 Delhi. Okay. What convinced Charlie that he had reached the third level at Grand Central Station and not the second level? So as we have seen in the story, that day Charlie worked till late. Charlie worked till late night, and he was in a hurry to reach his home. He was in a hurry to get home. When Charlie reached the station, and as it happens with him usually in the story, Charlie describes that it happens with him usually whenever he visits at Grand Central Station. He finds new doors, new corridors, or new staircase. Okay, so what were the things which compelled him to believe that he was at third level, not at second level? First of all, he saw the people. They were wearing the clothes of old. They were wearing old styled clothes. They were putting on old-fashioned clothes. So this is the first thing. Second thing, there were fewer ticket windows. Third thing, he also saw old styled locomotive. Next, when he went to buy the ticket, the clerk asked him to bring the old currency. So these things which were unusual compelled him to believe that he was not at second level, he was at third level of Grand Central Station. Okay, we are just discussing the answers orally, and you will have to do it in your notebook in written. Okay, let me rub it and write down. Next question. Question number 3. What does Sam, the psychiatrist friend, what does Sam the psychiatrist, what does Sam, psychiatrist, it is IA, friend of Charlie, opine about Charlie and opine about Charlie and his visit to the third level. To the third, sorry, it has been asked in CBSE examination 2012 in Delhi. Okay. What does Sam, the psychiatrist friend of Charlie, opine about Charlie and his visit to the third level? So, dear students, we have seen in the story when Charlie went to Sam and told him about the existence of third level, he did not only tell him the existence of third level, but he told him also that he caught a train there. He caught a train from third level and went Galesburg. So Sam replied that there was no existence of third level. He was just imagining the existence of third level in order to get rid of the situation of modern world after World War II, which was full of insecurity, war, fear. Okay, so everyone wanted to escape from the current situation. So that is why they were taking different excuses. We can say they were taking the help of such imaginations to run away from the reality. Okay. So what does Sam, the psychiatrist friend of Charlie, opine about Charlie and his visit to the third level? Sam, the psychiatrist friend of Charlie, opined about Charlie and his visit to third level that Charlie was just imagining the existence of third level in order to get rid from the reality, as he wanted to run away from the reality. So that is why he was making such stories in his imagination, as in reality there was no third level. Okay, at Grand Central Station. Actually, this story, the whole story moves around the Grand Central Station. Whether the existence of third level was there or not. So it is very much clear, dear students, there was no existence of third level. It was just imagination of Charlie. Okay. Sometimes students also may get confused because of the letter which was sent by Sam in the end of the story. As in the beginning he opposed Charlie. He was not ready to admit the existence of third level, but in the end of the story we have seen he himself wrote a letter to Charlie accepting that he was in Galesburg. Okay, so what does it how we can justify it? So it can be justified that earlier Sam was not ready to accept what Charlie had said, but later he himself used the same excuse, the imagination of the existence of third level, to run away the reality, as he himself in the beginning accepted that uh, Charlie was just taking help of his imagination. So at the end of the story, he himself imagined the same. Okay, let me rub it and write down the next question. Let me rub it and write down the next question. Next question. How did Charlie get lost when he was get lost when he was heading for the subway? How did Charlie get lost when he was heading for the subway? It has been asked in CBSE examination 2013. Okay. How did Charlie get lost when he was heading for the subway? So as answer to this question is almost similar to the first question which we have just discussed. When Charlie, usually it happens with Charlie, whenever Charlie goes to the Grand Central Station, as usually he used to board at train which is going towards his hometown from second level, but usually he gets confused. But what happened that day, according to him, when he walked until late night, then what happened with him? He went at Grand Central Station and he saw new corridors, new doors, staircases, so through which he reaches at third level of Grand Central Station. So how did Charlie get lost? So Charlie came across new corridors, new doorways, new staircases, through which he got lost and reached at third level of Grand Central Station. Okay. So let me rub it and write down the next question for you. What made the ticket clerk? Next question. Question number 5. What made the ticket clerk think that Charlie was Charlie was think that Charlie was trying to skin him. Trying to skin him or cheat him. It has been asked in CBSE examination 2014 outside Delhi. Okay? And also in 2010. 2010 and 2014. What made the ticket clerk think that Charlie was trying to skin him or Charlie was trying to cheat him? So when Charlie went to a ticket window to buy the ticket from the clerk, when after buying the ticket, when he took out the new currency and he was about to give him, so after seeing the new currency, as you know, it was the time of 18th century, so he was supposed to give him the currency of 18th century. So as Charlie was having the currency of modern world in the 20th century, so that is why he thought that Charlie wanted to cheat him. Charlie wanted to buy ticket for old currency, but actually it was not like so, and simply it was all happening in Charlie's imagination only. Nothing was happening in reality. Okay, let me rub it and write down next question for you. Question number 6. What did the psychiatrist friend what did the psychiatrist friend tell Charlie when he told him about the third level? When he told him about the third level. Okay, CBSE 2013. So we have just discussed a similar question. We had just discussed in the beginning, I think second or third question was just similar to this. So the same answer would be for this question too. When Charlie informed Sam, his psychiatrist friend, about the existence of third level, then he refused to accept the existence of third level, and he said, as the modern world was full of insecurity, fear, war, so that is why Charlie wanted to run away from the modern situation. Charlie wanted to run away from these things. That is why he was imagining the existence of third level and imagining such stories which cannot be believed on. Okay, so let me rub it and write down next question for you. Question number 7. Why did Charlie rush back? Why did Charlie rush back? Why did Charlie rush back from the third level? From the third level. Okay. It has been asked in CBSE examination 2015. Okay. Why did Charlie rush back from the third level? Let us discuss the answer. So, as Charlie knew that there were only 2 levels at Grand Central Station, he was just moving around his fantasy. So that is why Charlie ran away from the third level in order to discuss the same to his psychiatrist friend Sam. Okay, so this was the reason behind running for him behind running from third level. So let me rub it and write down a long answer. These questions are of short answer type questions. Now going to write down a long answer type questions for your homework. So you must go through the chapter once again and answer rewrite answers to all the questions in your notebook. And this is the long answer type question which I am going to give you in your homework. Okay. The modern consumerist world, the modern consumerist world, the modern consumerist world is full of fear, insecurities, is full of fear, full of fear, insecurities, full of fear, insecurities, stress and wars, stress and wars. What are the ways in which we try to combat them? What are the ways we try to combat them? Okay. So it has been asked in CBSE examination 2008. So this question is being given as a homework. The modern consumerist world is full of fear, insecurity, stress and war. What are the ways we try to combat them? Okay, so you must answer to this question. So before not only this question, you must answer all the questions which we have discussed. Okay, so thank you for watching the video. See you in the next video.